Hello, and welcome back to my channel. With Valentine's Day being around the corner, I've had quite a few questions on how to get very vivid, bright red buttercream frosting. In this video, I'm sharing the method I use to get bright red buttercream for your Valentine's Day, Christmas, Chinese New Year, and more. I'll be using my vanilla buttercream recipe, which you can find here on my channel as well as on my website at customcakesandcupcakes.com. I'll link both of those here on the video and in my description. After making a batch of buttercream, I'll be using both a pink and a red gel coloring. This is by Chef Master. You want to make sure to use a good quality concentrated gel coloring, not a water-based coloring. Start by adding a few drops of the pink right into your buttercream. Using pink first helps create a color base to start from and also reduces how much red gel you'll eventually need. Stir this in and then add a few drops of your red gel. I'm using Super Red by Chef Master, which is my go-to red coloring for frostings, for isomalt, for fondant, for batter, for everything. Stir this in until you reach this coral color. At this stage of the color, I'll add another drop or two of the red and stir that in. We won't add any more red at this stage. Instead, we'll cover this and put it in the fridge and let it saturate and deepen overnight. Here's what it looks like the next day. I'll add another drop or two if I feel I need it and put it back in the fridge. And finally, here's the result. A really nice, deep, vivid red that still tastes like great buttercream and can be used to frost and decorate cakes, cupcakes, and more. As I mentioned in my buttercream frosting recipe tutorial, to frost and spread, you may want to add a little bit more of your cream or your liquid source to thin it. Or to stiffen the consistency for piping or decorating, you can add more powdered sugar. Thank you so much for all the questions and interests in red buttercream. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribing.